coming to you from Whitetop Mountain area of Virginia. It's the second highest point in the state. The first is Mount Rogers, which I was near yesterday, but did not summit. Jedi and I summited Mount Rogers last time we were here a few years ago. It's not on the AT. I'm not doing it. There's no views from up there. It's this beautiful Hobbit, Lord of the Rings like forest up in there. Just a beautiful spot. I'm glad we did it back when we did our section hike of this area. Speaking of which, I am approaching Buzzard Rock up there. I am loving these meadow walks with the views of the mountains. It's a great switch from the woods, the green tunnel as they say. Perfect weather. Mid-60s, slight breeze, sunny, partly cloudy. Couldn't ask for better weather again. Thank you, Virginia. Speaking of Virginia, today I'm headed to the Saunders shelter. It was a 19-mile, almost fell. It was a 19-mile hike from Thomas Knob. I have about 11 miles left. It is the last shelter in Virginia. I believe that's to be the case if the list I consulted is correct. Tomorrow, hiking into Damascus, Virginia. Taking a 0-day Saturday and Sunday. I think I might be hiking into Tennessee, if not really close. Next week I'll be in Tennessee regardless. Can't believe it. Oh, wow. Look at these views. I gotta tell you, we came in the spring last time in May, end of May. Beautiful. But I love this weather, the autumn colors. I don't think they're quite at peak yet, but they are spectacular. And this has been a beautiful walk today. I was way up in some mountains with views, and now I'm walking through this incredible pine needle covered trail. I just love the variety out here today, and hopefully I can make it into camp a little earlier than I did yesterday. All right, I'll see you later. Hi, ladies. What you doing? I love how that one is just staring me down. The AT connects with the Virginia Creeper Trail, which is a bicycle trail. And I don't know for how long we go, but there's a lot of bicycles on here because apparently they drive you to the top and then you can walk down. Ride your bike down. And it's fairly easy. It's supposed to be beautiful. And if it doesn't rain on my 0-day, I may take advantage. Oh, here comes a cyclist now. Easy peasy. Alright, see you down the trail. Look at those fall colors. Gorgeous. I made it to Saunders shelter. I still got a quarter mile to go. Thankfully, it seems to be downhill. That was a long but exceptionally beautiful, almost 19-mile day. I'm ready for some dinner and some bed. And then tomorrow, 8.5 miles downhill into Damascus, where I am going to just enjoy my rest. Lots of food, a beer, and a Dr. Pepper. Not necessarily in that order.